Hi guys and welcome to a new episode of Dev Tips Tuesday. In today's episode I'm going to introduce you to the transform property in CSS. Let's get started. Okay, let's start from the project that we created 1 week ago about the transition in the subscription button. Here we have opened the project, and today we are going to apply the transform property on the over effect of this element. Let's go ahead and let's say that when I hover the button, I want the button to scale and become bigger. So I'm going to add the transform property and I'm going to say scale. Now inside the scale I need to add the parameter that say how much I want to scale. And this parameter can be 2 if I want to double the dimension of the element, 3 if I want to triple them, etc, etc. Let's say that I want to double it right now. Let's refresh the page and let's see that now the button on hover is scaling, is becoming a double size of the before. With the transform property we can do so much more. In this case we scale it the x and the y dimensions. But if I want to scale only the x or only the y, I can just say scale x, we can see the result, or scale y, we can see the result. But it's not finished here, we can also use rotate and skew, for example. Let's say that I want to rotate this element of 180 degrees, so I just say rotate 180 deg. Let's refresh and we see that now our button is rotating 180 degrees. If I want the button to rotate in 180 degrees but in the opposite side, I just need to declare a negative 180 degree. Let's refresh and let's see that now he's rotating to the opposite direction. We can also say 360 and woo, etc. So now let's say that I want to skew the button and make it like a big oblique. So let's use the transform skew and let's define how many degrees we want to skew the button. Let's say 40 deg. Let's save. And now the button is becoming oblique of 45 degrees. One last thing that we can apply as a transform property is translating the element from a position to another. Also here we can translate in the two axes, x and y, or we can decide only one of them. Now let's do translate and let's say 20 pixels and 20 pixels. So now let's refresh the page, and when we hover the button, it's going to move 20 pixel x and 20 pixel y. If you want the button to move in the opposite direction, you just need to declare as before negative 20 and negative 20 pixels. Let's refresh and now it's going to go up. Okay, as I said before, we can just define translate x or translate y. So let's try quickly. Translate x. Alright, and translate y. There we go. Okay, today you have learned more about the transform property in CSS. If you like this video, hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you next time. Ciao!